Yes, salibona.
Yebo.
Hawu salibona.
Yebo.
Njani?
Hayi siphilile.
Mahlale.
Yes.
Ngihamba labantu be-social welfare la. Bathi bahamba ngohlelo lolo anti uzwile ukuthi anti uyakwazi lo nyaka izulu belingana.
Izulu belingana
So
yitho.
uhulumende wasesuka sesicabangela ukuthi asinikeze ukudla. Ngomuzi konke lapha lisuka lapha kokhumalo wathi sesiqedile ukubhala. So lapha sizobhala ukuthi lapha
Libangani. Ungabe welfare.
Ngabe welfare bafikele.
Actually we represent philanthropists. You know what a philanthropist is? It's people who help poor people sincedana abantu abangabaya.
Why thina soba yanga kwa izulu alinanga phela iminyaka nanti nkosikazi khona. Saba lo hlupho lwezulu asoba yanga.
Bekungakhethi nje ukuthi unothile umba unothanga nje just into ukuthi isigaba sami.
Bese
Angithi mina ngahamba ngahamba ngayakhuluma ngayo.
Amanye amazwi ungafaka emuntwini uyamfaka ebuhlupweni.
No besitsholo khona ukuthi you are in need. But the underlining factor we are helping abantu abanjani
wonke umuntu abanganelwanga lizulu.
Hayi ukuthi ujayeli ukukhuluma isilungu. Ngoba abantu bavelela khona
Alright.
Hayi uvela khona lemazweni baba silethela ukudla khona.
Ora uyise kodwa ngwangapha.
Yena wakhulela khona.
Uyabona kathi inzalo kaMzilika.
So udaba yilona lolo ke mahlalela ukuthi usizasiza ukuthi sikwazi ukuthi lapha ekhaya libangaki. Sukusela ngale nje konke sembabhala sekusele khona lapho
ukuthi la sisibangaki
ukuthi libangaki lapha ekhaya kwenzela ukuthi ukudla lokho khana maka kubuya kuhle kuqondane lamakhanda akhona lapha ekhaya.
Ora thina ngathi singonkosikazi uzithwele. Ungambala lo ufitho obuyayo.
Ngama-5.
Singu-5 thina la.
Singu-5.
Abanye bakhona banga.
Singu-5 mahlalela.
Futhi wena lapha unkosikazi uzithwele ama-twins. Ule iso mina lo nkosikazi yi4. Sibe sesithatha yenye couple.
Ikhaphri mahlalela phakathi komuzi la kathi sikhuluma
sama couple sethu.
Likaphu phela yikho khona kusokukwanile phela
sembala ulo kuzena uDangerous Sport.
Uthe amakhanda abantu abakhulumayo.
Hayi iloku
not uDangerous Sport ngithe imbala abantu mina aba esigabeni lapha antu lapha nakokhumalo bangu5 labantwana babo izinja zabo bazijile
phansi izinja zikhangelela umuzi
kokhumalo zingu8 izinja kokhumalo
zingu8 mandevana kahle mama uDangerous Sport incede umphaka kule indawo le lempisi ilana and thina umuzi wethu yabona sekuqine izinja ezivikela bonke abantu so asoma couple esingavalila ngaphandle ku donation
mahlale
ebuya from ku government
mahlalela ithi kuchazele kahle ngale kufuneka izithupha khona sazofuna izithupha zenu uDangerous Sport izithupha zabo ziyavela kufuneka izithupha zamakhanda ngoba kudala abantu betshontshela uhulumeni lapha bebhalise bethi singu8 ekhaya kade babili njengani
lingaphikisani lapha thina sikhamba ngokudla ngitsho ikudla esikuphiwayo lathi ayisiko kwethu sithunyiwe futhi sibhale abantu abakhona so lapha libabili sibala abadubekileyo
hayi ngicela ukulichasisela singakayikhatshana mina ubufakazi ngilabo bokuthi kulama-twins lapha ngilabo ubufakazi 2 3 4 mina lo baba kuzobuya uDangerous Sport labona izinto zonke eziseduze lapha esiduzana bavikela izinto zenu
uDangerous Sport bayilisele
lapha ukuthi ubaba uthini maybe asilamule.
The instructions that we have according to our register, whoever we write, if it's under 18, we put the birth certificate number. If it's over, it's ID number. Now, sport and whatever, and teams,
they don't have
bazibhalisa izinja zenu ukuthi zikhona kodwa isithupha ke kufuneka isithupha sikaMahlalela lesakho not izinja zenu
izinja zakhona abantu bekuyahlupha phani ngene uMandeva
manje lapha mina sizabhala
I said we are philanthropists. We want to help you.
Then help us. These things
when I let a philanthropist on now, ufuna philanthropist kanga masaka.
Ngingazi ubuhlungu ngezinto ezizokwenza. Nina abantu abakufunayo.
Sifuna izithupha zenu ukuze uhambe yimi mphethe isigaba la. Mase kusonakala ngale kuhulumeni ngale babuza mina ngoba kumele izithupha zenu sihambe zimbili. Hayi ukuthi nje
thina siza reveal wonke amadocument
afunakala. Sport base SPCA babhalwe ngale SPCA not kukhulumeni
lamakhadi abakhona la kuhulumeni noma sokufunakala kuhulumeni
anyway we were talking here with my colleague here. What's your suggestion? Let's come to a unanimous agreement.
ukuthi sibhale ngaki baba
right isicela lithi half ka sport sport izamnikeza half yes bavikela umphakathi Ngambizo sport is very kind and good.
La khona lapho kufika kwenye becothamele egangeni ebona ukuthi
lapho nxa selisuka lapha lisiya kweminye imizi ngiyanika usport lo
lapha nitshela ukuthi sibuyele
Look, I think I understand you. Yes. When I was studying in university, I was taught that there are 3 types of property. Speaking property is the people. Yes. Half speaking property is the dogs, the cow, the hens, and there is non-speaking property, wardrobe, bed, whatever. So now for the half-speaking property, we give you half a portion. I think it's like that. Yes. Let's give you. Yes. Yes. Full portion. Then half-speaking property.
Hayi ikudla nje lezakuphiwa lizaphiwa mahamba khona
makunjalo hayi bayakuvume bona abamadona lawo
yazi ukuthi umuntu engazalelwe emazweni kuba lokuhlakanipha
wena ubusungano uyansola
hayi khona ukuthi lawo zithi twin
bayivumele nabo
mama ziyawona
sesizayizela
izinja kumakhelwane ziyaluma
you understood
no I understood
yes ibhale 4 so ukuthi uthi likhangela ngemva kwamalanga amabili sizalibiza
iporridge into ngeporridge alihlangana nazo yini for ama twins ethabuya
ayikho
so it's not for, it's 2.5 2 for this and then half speaking property half
no not for 4 days
oh yes okay
as long as you guys have agreed to give
ngathi ngathola
instant porridge
lebo abantwana babuya abasendleleni yapho ngifaka ngamaphakethe alingafaki kakhulu 16 yafaka 16 amaphakethe
hayi kodwa khona kokukhona baba yikho khonoko asizikhetheli ngoba kubuya vele kubhakijiwe khona ngayo
yazi ukuthi mama ngifika lapha ngicithe ngathi ngilokhu unakakhisimusi ngiyafana njalo nakakhisimusi
yafanana vela
usekakhisimusi lapho zimbone yedwa
yeshuwa asisabuzanga lezibongo bakithi
thina umuntu kalahla
umuntu kalahla hayi sibongile umuntu kalahla
sibongile ke hayi kulungile
lapha sizadlula njalo
awuthi ngithile lapha kwegumede la
yebo
yazi lo moya omude banathi kazalanga luba unjani
uyavuka